If your legs feel heavier, stiffer, or swollen after 60, it's not just getting older. Deep inside, your body's collagen, the protein that keeps your joints and blood vessels strong, has already dropped by nearly 75%. That's why climbing stairs feels like a mountain, mornings are painful, and your legs feel off by evening. But here's the good news. There are 8 everyday foods that can help rebuild this support. One of them might be sitting on your grocery shelf right now, overlooked by most seniors. If your ankles puff up by evening, your knees creak just getting out of a chair, or mornings feel stiff, you're not alone. Think of collagen as the wooden frame of a house. After 60, invisible termites, inflammation, wear, and time eat away at the beams faster than your body can repair them. The result is weak joints, swelling, and slower movement. But science shows this collapse can be slowed and even reversed with the right foods. Today, we'll explore 8 powerful foods that seniors like Rosa and Frank have used to rebuild their strength step by step. Imagine your knees as the hinges on a well-used door. Over time, the screws loosen, the frame sags, and every movement starts to squeak. That's exactly what happens inside your joints when collagen runs low. Collagen peptides act like fresh lumber delivered directly to your body's construction site, ready to rebuild worn joints. Unlike regular protein, they're broken into tiny fragments that survive digestion, reach cartilage, and signal your body to produce new collagen. A 2023 study followed seniors over 60 who took 10 grams daily. Joint pain dropped 43%, and their ability to perform daily activities improved 31%. That's the difference between struggling on stairs and walking confidently with your grandchild. Rosa, 71, used to wince every time she bent down to her garden. After 12 weeks of daily collagen peptides, she's back kneeling, pain-free. Ever notice puffy ankles or heavy legs by evening? That's a sign your blood vessels are losing elasticity, letting fluid pool instead of circulating properly. Marine collagen, from fish skin and scales, strengthens vessel walls and improves circulation. Think of a saggy garden hose replaced by a strong, flexible one. A 2021 study showed seniors who ate sardines 3 times a week had 27% less ankle swelling within 12 weeks. Frank, 68, skipped sardines for years. After adding them twice a week, his legs felt lighter and his ankles looked slimmer. Some joint pain isn't just from wear and tear. Sometimes your own immune system mistakenly attacks cartilage as if it were an invader. That's where native type 2 collagen comes in. It helps calm this immune response, giving your joints a chance to heal. A 2022 study showed seniors who took just 40 milligrams daily improved cartilage density by 19% in 12 weeks. Elaine, 73, thought surgery was her only option. After 3 months, she could climb stairs without stopping and said, "My knees got a second chance." Vitamin C is another key player. Think of collagen fibers as strands being braided together. Without vitamin C, the strands remain weak and fray, leading to stiff joints, swelling, and fragile blood vessels. Studies show that pairing vitamin C with collagen reduces inflammation and helps your body build stronger, usable collagen fibers. A glass of orange juice, a handful of strawberries, or bell pepper slices alongside your collagen can make a noticeable difference. George, 70, added a few orange slices to his morning coffee with collagen. Within weeks, his morning stiffness improved, and he felt lighter and more flexible. Long before supplements existed, our grandparents relied on bone broth. Rich in natural gelatin, collagen, and compounds that hydrate and cushion joints, bone broth helps cartilage glide smoothly instead of grinding. Seniors who drank bone broth 2 to 3 times a week reported noticeable improvements in joint flexibility and even regained range of motion they thought was lost. Martha, 75, sipped a warm cup each evening. Within a month, her hands felt looser, and activities like knitting became enjoyable again. Eggs are another simple but powerful food. They contain proline and glycine, amino acids your body can't make enough of on its own, which are essential for collagen production. A 2021 study found that adults over 60 who ate 2 eggs daily increased their muscle protein synthesis by 19%. Stronger muscles help absorb stress on your joints, protecting them with every step. Harold, 72, switched from cereal to 2 eggs with spinach for breakfast. Within weeks, his morning stiffness was significantly reduced, and he felt more energetic throughout the day. Even with the right building blocks, collagen can fray if it's not protected. That's where citrus fruits and berries come in. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, they act like a protective shield for your collagen fibers. Oxidative stress can slowly wear down joints and blood vessels, but eating berries and citrus helps neutralize this damage. A 2020 study showed seniors who ate berries daily reduced oxidative stress markers by 40% in just 12 weeks. Linda, 67, started adding blueberries and strawberries to her morning yogurt. Within a month, she felt lighter in her legs and more energetic throughout the day. Plants can also help your body make its own collagen. Soy foods like tofu, miso, or edamame contain compounds called isoflavones that gently signal your cells to increase collagen production and reduce joint tissue breakdown. A 2018 study found that post-menopausal women who consumed soy protein regularly improved bone density and lowered inflammation compared to those who didn't. Stronger bones and calmer inflammation mean less stress on your joints and steadier movement as you age. Daniel, 69, added tofu stir-fry to his dinners twice a week. Within 2 months, he noticed his knee pain had eased, and he could walk comfortably without thinking about his joints. These 8 foods, collagen peptides, marine collagen, native type 2 collagen, vitamin C-rich foods, bone broth, eggs, citrus and berries, and soy, work together to rebuild and protect your joints, muscles, and blood vessels. Rosa returned to her garden. Frank's ankles stopped swelling. Elaine climbed stairs again without stopping. These results aren't miracles. They're the quiet rewards of consistent daily choices. Start small. Try one food at a time. Maybe a scoop of collagen in your morning coffee, a bowl of berries on yogurt, or a warm cup of bone broth before bed. Small, consistent steps lead to big changes, and your future self will thank you. You're not powerless. Your body remembers how to heal when you give it the right materials, and it's never too late to start rebuilding strength and independence. Your independence isn't just about yourself. It's about walking alongside your grandchildren, climbing stairs without fear, and living these years with confidence. You deserve strength, flexibility, and the freedom to move without pain. Remember, it's never too late to begin. Consistent choices matter more than drastic changes. Each small step, adding one of these 8 foods to your daily routine, compounds over time. Whether it's a scoop of collagen peptides, a handful of berries, a cup of bone broth, or a simple tofu stir-fry, your body will respond. These foods don't just repair your joints and blood vessels, they help you feel lighter, move easier, and regain control of your day-to-day life. Rosa returned to her garden. Frank's ankles stopped swelling. Elaine climbed stairs with ease. You can see the results in your own body, too. Start today. Pick one food, add it to your meals, and let your body rebuild from the inside out. Over weeks and months, you'll notice the difference in your strength, flexibility, and confidence. Your body remembers how to heal when given the right materials. Take that first step, and your future self will thank you.